I could probably use some heartbreak to get.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and into my home. Today is week 9 in our organization challenge, and our task this week is the linen closet. This can be a guest bathroom or a kid's bathroom or even your master linen closet. I only have a linen closet in my guest bathroom and it needs serious help. To catch up those who haven't been on this challenge with us, what we're doing is breaking down spaces in our home that need to be decluttered and organized. These are bite-sized tasks that can be easily accomplished sometime in that week. Every Sunday I post that week's video to give you an idea of how I'm doing this in my home. I also sometimes switch it up and we head over to one of my daughter's homes to see how they're doing it over there. These videos are fun and you can find them in the playlist. I'll post that playlist at the end of the video and down in the description box. You'll get some serious organization motivation. I also made a printable for you to follow. It's nice to have so that you can pre-plan products that you might want to buy for that area. If you email me, I will send you a copy of the printable. While I was at Target the other day, I got these 11 by 11 cubes for $4 a piece. I have the same ones in my master closet that I've been using for the last 2 years, and they've held up so well. I love the colors, and I decided that they would look great in this closet. And they actually fit very well underneath the shelves. When I was walking through the store, I eyeballed this gray container out of the corner of my eye. It was sitting next to a pretty blush pink one. When I made my way over to it, which was hard because I had 2 toddlers pulling me in opposite directions. Anyways, when I got over to them, I knew that the gray one would fit perfect at the bottom of my closet. The top is easy to lift because it does not snap in place, and actually it just sits on top of the container. A huge plus is that I can pull it out from underneath the shelf because it's on wheels. This would also be a great toy box. You don't have to worry about little fingers getting caught underneath a heavy lid. This closet has become a catch-all since we moved into this house 2 years ago. I've debated on the identity of this closet. I really don't need a traditional linen closet, but what I do need is more storage. My husband and I chose to downsize when we built this home. Instead of having several extra bedrooms and bathrooms, we decided to build a home with an attached generational suite built onto it. Down the hallway and behind the wall of this closet is a small apartment that my husband's mother lives in. Downsizing also meant that I had less storage, so I have to be creative. I sat down and I brainstormed what I really needed this closet to be, and I came up with that I needed it to hold all the things that we share between my mother-in-law's home and ours. This way, she's free to grab what she needs and have all the convenience of having it in one location. I'm transferring over all the Scentsy products into this container. I don't use them much anymore, but my mother-in-law does, so I'll keep the wax available for her.
Gotta give me something, 'cause I'm not blind. And I don't know how to enjoy it every time you tell me it's not there.
In this one, I'm going to keep all the light bulbs. We have different light bulbs for different things. One size here and one size there. You know how it goes. This bin is filled with first aid, sunscreen, bug spray, and other odds and ends. I'm checking the dates and throwing out all the expired products. By the way, as unfortunate as it is, sunscreen does expire. I hate that because I have all these unopened sunscreens that I bought before the pandemic and I wasn't able to use because the pools were closed. Oh, this container. It's just like the one that I had in my master bathroom. I have the best of intentions for all these products that I pick up from our hotel stays, but I never do anything with them. In the past, I've sat out some for our guests, but I'm left with all these other ones. And look at this mess. Oh, I hate to throw this away, but I may need to go ahead and just throw the whole bin away. We used to share these coffee pods with my mother-in-law, but she found another brand that she likes better. So I'm going to go ahead and store these back in my pantry to free up space in here.
I've tried it.
I have some larger fabric containers that are on their way from Amazon. I bought them before I got the larger rollout container. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you two options to help me choose if I should use the new containers that are coming in from Amazon or if I should just keep it the way that I have it. I'm going to go ahead and fold these towels and rags up, but in the linen closet I've got some new pretty white towels that I'm going to stick in there. These other ones I'll just stick underneath the sink. The red ones are actually for Christmas, so I need to go stick that in my Christmas stuff. And in this silver container I have the extra shower head, don't ask me why, and I have all of my velvet pillow covers that I use for Christmas. I'll store all those in my decor closet in the guest bedroom. Now I'm going to go ahead and quickly take out all the other odds and ends that I have in here. And then we'll go ahead and clean out the closet and then add in the storage containers.
Love you right back. Love you right back.
These candles got plenty of use when we had the storm here. But from now on, I will be buying some scentless candles to go up in this closet. So if the lights ever go out again, we can use the scentless candles. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use this Mrs. Meyer's spray, and we're going to give everything a thorough wipe down. I know that I have that oatmeal on the top of the closet, but I'm short and I can't reach it, so I need to get a stool to get up there and get it. So I'll do that, and then I'll clean that top shelf as well.
Love you right back. And come and hold you whenever you're sad. Yeah. I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back.
Now is the fun part of making it all look pretty. I thought about labeling the bins, but I knew that the items in them would be changing throughout the seasons. But I think I might go ahead and add a white label to the actual shelf below the bin, because those can be easily removed and replaced.
Love you right back. And come and hold you whenever you're sad. Yeah. I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back.
This is what I have so far. I think that it's looking pretty good. What do you think? I'm able to hold 8 rolls of this Bounty in this container. This is going to make it a lot easier, even for me, because we used to keep it at the top of the shelf and I could never reach it to get it down. So now we can easily slide this in, and we can also slide it out to get out the Bounty. Just much more convenient for all of us. Okay, let's take a quick look at what the closet looked like before. And then I'll show you the 2 options of the after. These are the options that I need your help with. Okay, option 1 is with an extra pillow and blanket at the top of the shelf to be used for guests in either home. I think that adding it really does look nice in here. Or do I add in the larger fabric boxes? They don't have anything in them yet, but I'm sure that in the future we'll be sharing more items in between the 2 homes. I can't decide, so please leave me a comment on what you think.
Hold me now, tell
I want to thank you for visiting me again today. If you enjoyed this video, would you please give me a big thumbs up? It lets YouTube know that I'm doing a good job. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to press that notification bell so that you get reminded every time I post a new video. Also, head on over to the playlist that I'm posting at the end of this video so that you can watch all 9 organization videos in the series so far. Each video is less than 15 minutes or so, and it'll give you all the motivation that you need to get decluttering done in your spaces. I'll see you again next week. Stay blessed, my friends.
You and me. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about